Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 27. Okay, Jessica, say this sound. Well done. Is your voice on or is your voice off?
My voice is off.
Good, your voice is off. Good. Okay, Jessica, say the sound again and this time move your tongue forward as you say the sound. Perfect. Excellent. This sound, is your voice on or is your voice off?
My voice is off.
Good. Your voice is off. And this is the sound. Make this sound again. Good. Now, voice on. Perfect. Voice off. Voice on. Good. Voice off. Voice on. And this is the sound. Good. Where is your tongue when you say that sound?
My tongue is between my top teeth and my bottom teeth.
Well done. Your tongue is between your top teeth and your bottom teeth. Good, Jessica. Say this sound. Perfect. Say this sound. Good. And say this sound. Excellent. What happens to your tongue from this sound to this sound?
My tongue moves forward when I say this sound.
Correct. Your tongue moves forward, so it starts off further back, up and back, and then moves forward behind your top teeth for this sound. And then moves forward again in between your teeth for that sound. Oh, sorry. One more time, Jessica. Good. Is your voice on or off for those sounds?
My voice is on for those sounds.
Well done. That's it. Your voice is on. Well done, Jessica.